Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I will show you how to make orange face pack at home. So I'm taking here some amount of orange juice. After that I'm adding some flour like maida. I'm adding some coffee for about 1 tablespoon and maida for 2 tablespoon. Then mix all together. This is the easiest pack I have ever made. अगर आप चाहो तो इसमें आपका जो orange का peel है वो भी डाल सकते हो, orange peel powder. It's up to you. After that mix very well, एकदम अच्छा से. After mixing it will look like this. So उसके बाद apply all over your face. Before applying this, make sure that your face should be clean, and after that and also your hand should be sanitized because ये बहुत बढ़िया पैक है. अगर आप इसमें गंदा में लगाओगे तो it will not go well with the face. After that apply all over your face and yeah guys, don't forget your neck. यहाँ पे मैंने नहीं लगाया है, अप्लाई नहीं किया है नेक में because it was not necessary, and also जो मैंने हुडी पहना हुआ है उसका ऊपर तो लगाना एकदम पॉसिबल नहीं है. After that, after applying इसको ना थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे करके मसाज करें and just keep it for about 20 to 30 minutes because let it be dry. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप मैंने लगा लिया है. After that I will keep this for about 20 to 30 minutes. इसके बाद मैं इसको जाके वॉश करूँगा. After washing you can see I'm applying some olive oil. So olive oil is very much great for your face. उसके बाद apply olive oil all over your face, your neck, your hands, wherever you want because olive oil बहुत अच्छा है. उसके बाद after applying olive oil you can see how different it looks. You can see कि इतना shininess आ गया and also it feels so soft. So guys, that's it. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. Bye.